Hello beautiful people, hello family. So today we're going to be making EKWANG. Yes, we're going to be making EKWANG. EKWANG is a Cameroonian delicacy that is made with cocoyams and cocoyam leaves. But where I am, I do not have cocoyam leaves, so I resort to spinach leaves. Yeah, so I resort to spinach. You see that is fresh. I already have it well cut because we're going to be wrapping up the grated cocoyams. And yeah, what are the ingredients needed for this recipe? We're gonna be using palm oil, salt, of course. Sorry guys, look at my fish. So guys, we're going to be using this mud fish, smoked mud fish. Is that how it's called? Yeah, called catfish. Yeah, so this is smoked catfish we're going to be using for this recipe. Guys, I already peeled the cocoyams. I already have it grated and already ready for it to be wrapped inside the spinach leaves. We're going to be using white peppers. We're going to be using bush pepper, yeah, from Cameroon. Of course, some seasoning cubes. Oops. Of course, we're going to be using a seke. I don't know how this is called in English, guys. Country, this is the key ingredients. Country onion. And of course, we have our njanga or our crayfish. We have our crayfish we're going to be using. So right now, I'm just going to put a little bit of palm oil in the pot to avoid so this is for the cocoyam not to stick under the pot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pour a little and voila, let's go and wrap our EKWANG. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. Family, please help me grow. Please hit that subscribe button. Also like, share, and leave a comment down below. And if you're going to be trying out this recipe, please do let me know in the comment section down below. This is a beautiful Cameroonian recipe. Yeah, already season the cocoyams with salt. Yeah, just salt. Yeah, and a little bit of seasoning cubes if you want to. It's optional. So I already seasoned, and yeah, voila, this is the consistency we have. Going to be wrapping this EKWANG up in the spinach leaves, and you see it's not too soft. You don't want it too soft because the spinach leaves is already it's already soft. Yeah family, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also like, share, and comment. And if you so this is how you just wrap it up. Just wrap it like this. You do this, and voila, this is what you get. And you just place it neatly inside the pot. And voila family, we are done. Yes, this is how it looks like. So now I'm going to start putting in my ingredients. So yeah, we are done. This is how it looks, and guys, it's going to strain. So what I'm going to do now is I'm boiling some hot water so I can put in the EKWANG. Yeah, I'm going to start by putting the fish. Yeah, guys, I don't have fish in the house, so this is nothing, but when you're out here, it's worth everything. Yeah, I'm going to be putting 2 spoons of salt, half teaspoon of bush pepper. Here, this food is spicy, guys, very spicy. Yeah, now I'm going to be putting our seke, half teaspoon. and our country onion. 1 teaspoon country onions. And of course, I'm going to be using one seasoning cube. Just going to be sprinkling. Guys, it smells so nice already. This is, you want to pour it around the corners. I have my habanero pepper blended here. So I'm just going to pour everything. I'm just going to cover to allow it cook for 40 minutes on low heat. Yeah, let's check. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. You have to go in normally you just do this, you know. Ooh. See that? Ooh. Guys, you see? Very strong onion paste. You see that? It's coming off really good. So you have to make sure not to just, you know, stir like. You have to take it by the cup. Normally, you just have to shake the pot a little bit, just like this. You see that? Oh my god, my god. Oh guys, you need to perceive the aroma. The whole house is smelling pretty nice. So I'm going to add water because I need my soup made. So I'm just going to add. You don't want to put too much because too much palm oil isn't good. Yeah, so this is enough. So this is 30 minutes later. So before I added the palm oil, I'm going to cover it again for it to cook. Because if you do not cook well, guys, you're gonna have itches on your throat. Yeah. So the cocoyam has to really cook well. So we're going to cover, and after 20 minutes, our food will be ready. Guys, our ekwang is ready. It's ready. You see that? Oh my god, very green. And it smells heavenly. It smells heavenly. See that? My husband is going to be all over the place today. This is one of his favorite meals. Oh, look at that. See that? You see that, family? Ooh, you see that? Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also share, comment. Leave a comment down below so I know we are communicating. So you see that ekwang is ready. Let me go have a bite. Guys, if you're going to be trying out this recipe or your own ekwang, maybe you can leave a comment down below or drop a picture. Thank you so much. Bye. On to my next one. See you on my next video.
And I get paid for it. Family is everything.
This tastes heavenly.
After her castle, the king of all queens, business mogul, star maker, fashion god.